200 subscribers. Let's go. Thanks so much for following along. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. We're gonna go out on the ATV and see what we can see out in the forest. Do a little bit of adventuring. It's a little wet out here now. We had some ice and snow the other day, and now it's all sloppy and wet. So let's get riding. Woohoo! These grips are getting toasty. Yeah, so we had about an inch or so of ice and snow, and the water's running out here. Nice and wet and muddy. We're going to do a little exploring, see if we can get through this mess. Now I put the plow mount back on here, so got that under there to drag on stuff. I have to check the tire pressure on here again. Nice and wet. So yeah, thanks for following along. I never thought I'd get to 200 subscribers. That's cool. Made it through that. Let's go this way. Four-wheel drive. Put some waterfall here. White looks like it's leaving pretty fast too. That's probably mid-30s to 40 degrees here. So it'll melt away, wait for the next snow to start. So that's got over here. Hey, if it's cold enough and the pond is frozen here, some ice biking would be pretty fun too. Well, it's getting dark pretty fast, so I was hoping to have a little bit of a longer ride. We'll finish this one up. We'll have plenty more coming your way. So yeah. Thanks for following along. Thanks so much for 200 subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's go. 300. Here we come. Haha.